So this is the solution of SOF Science Olympiad Foundation Class 3 IMO Set A year 2016. So let's start with logical reasoning. This is the first part. The question we have is the sum of numbers of matchsticks in pattern 2 and pattern 4 is. So we have pattern 2 present here, but we don't have pattern 4, right? Pattern 4 is absent. So we first of all need to locate what pattern is being followed here, and then after finding out number of matchsticks in pattern 4, we'll be able to find the sum. We have to find the sum. We need not to find the pattern 4, but sum of pattern 2 and pattern 6. So pattern 1 is having 3 triangles and each triangle is having 3 matchsticks. Pattern 2 is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles and each triangle is having 3 matchsticks. Pattern 3 is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 triangles and each triangle is having 3 matchsticks. So if we just find the product, it will be 9, 18, 27. Isn't it the table of 9? 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27. So undoubtedly, pattern 4 will be 9 times 4, that is 36. So we have located number of matchsticks present in pattern 4. So pattern 2 is having 18 matchsticks and pattern 4 is having 36 matchsticks. Now, what we need to do? We have to find the sum. Sum means addition. We will add pattern 2 and pattern 4. So pattern 2 is having 18 matchsticks and pattern 4 is having 36 matchsticks. After adding them up, you will get answer 54. 54 means option B is correct, right? Option B. So this option is correct. Now, what is the common mistake you could make? After finding pattern 4 here, after finding the value of pattern 4 here, you have got 36 and you will directly select this option. But the question is asking about sum. So your answer will be not correct because it is incomplete answer. The question is asking about sum, not only pattern 4, right? Sum of pattern 2 and pattern 4. So there will be a ratio of students, but most of the students will do it 36 and very special genius students will make it 54. Now let's switch to the next question. Next question is question number 2, and here what's given, analogy given here. Identify the relation between the given pair on either side of this and find the missing term. So E is related as 5 and D, it's being asked about D. So what thing comes first in our mind to count number of matchsticks, or number of lines present here, straight lines in E, but E is made up of straight lines whereas D is made up of straight and curved lines. So counting straight lines will not be the solution here. Now what we will do? We will relate it as alphabetic order. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is 5. So A is related as 5. So what will D be? So D will be 4. It is alphabetical numbering. D. So D is 4 as it comes at 4th position in alphabetical order. Next question. Which of the following words can be formed from the letters of the given word? So let's see. We have the word newspaper containing N, E, W, S, P, A, again P, again E, and R. These are the alphabets or letters present in the word newspaper. We just have to find the word which contains these only. So here, if you check option A, it is containing Q, so it cannot be the answer. Option C is containing T, as well as option D is also containing T. So these cannot be the answer as we do not have T or Q here. So yes, E, erase. Option B will be the correct answer. E-R-A-S-E. We have E-R-A-S-E. Right? So option B is the correct answer for question number 3. Now, let's switch to the question number 4. If square means circle, circle means triangle, triangle means rectangle, then what is the shape of sun? Solution, shape of sun. Shape of the sun. Yes, the shape of the sun is circle. But the circle means square. So, circle will be replaced by a square. So the answer will be option B here will be the correct option. Now let's switch to the next question, that is question number 5. Okay, question number 5. If apples B and D are removed from the picture, so what we need to do, we have to remove B and D. We have removed B and D. Now, from the given arrangement, then apple A will be dashed from the right end. So, when we do not have B and D, we are just having this set of apples left. So, from right end, as it is written here, from right end, this will be the H will be the first, right? Then second, third, fourth. So A will have fourth position. So option A is correct. Next question, question number 6 of the same logical reasoning. Which of the following figures can replace the question mark? Here, we have to think about the relationship existing here. So we have, if we just focus here, we have a square and circle inside the square. Now, this figure is showing a square inside the circle. Inside a rectangle, a square inside. Here the square was outside, now the square is inside. If we focus here, we have a rhombus outside. That means the outside figure will come inside, so the rhombus needs to be inside. As the square was outside figure, it is the inside now. The rhombus is the outside figure, it will be inside. Where the rhombus is inside, it's on option C. So option C will be the correct option. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 7 is containing the alphabet here, a sequence here, arrangement of alphabets and a mirror. So we have to find the mirror image. Okay, very easy trick is that any option containing the same alphabet, not the mirror image, we'll remove that first. So here R is the same, we'll remove this. Here E is the same, we'll remove this. A has same as its A, mirror image of A is same as the object, I mean A. Now we are just left with C and B. If you focus properly, this is the water image because it's upside down. So our answer will be C. C is the correct option. Now, how to find this? Here we have the mirror A, E, R. So A will come first, and as it is, then E will have its mirror image, then R will have its mirror image. So it will be like this. Option C is matching to the same pattern we have made. Now let's come to the question number 8. Select the correct match of shapes which can be made from the solid. So which shape can be made from the solid? This is option A. This is containing a cylindrical kind of shape. So we can include a 2D shape as disc here, but we have a triangle, so it cannot be the option. Option B. This is a door. It could resemble to the rectangle, but we have a square here, so this cannot be the answer. Option C. We have a Coke. It has a disc at the bottom, so yes, disc is kind of circular, so this can be our answer. Option D is having a cone, an ice cream cone. So ice cream cone resembles to a triangle, not the rectangle, so this will also be wrong. So a Coke is cylindrical, a cylinder is having two discs and a rectangle. So it is composed of two discs and a rectangle. So this means that C is the correct option here. Question number 9. Which of the following shapes is exactly embedded in the figure X? So here let's focus on first. This is, if you locate it starting from here, this line, then a slanting line, then completely vertical line, and then a horizontal line. Yes, it's matching. If we focus on B, a triangle with cross above, we do not have any triangle like this with two slanting lines. So this will be wrong. Now, option C, we do not have any arrangement like this type of line crossing a horizontal line. We do not have this type of arrangement here. And option D is also not present. Because if you focus here, this one till here seems matching. This portion seems matching, but the left line, that means this one, is not present here. For this type of arrangement, we need to draw a line like this here. Then only this will be matching. But it's absent. So that means our correct option is option A. Now, let's switch to the next question, that is question number 10 and last question of logical reasoning. Here, what we have, in how many different ways can Samaksh reach his home? Samaksh is here and he wants to go to his home. He is having so many different ways. So let's start. For this, we'll just write alphabets to mark points, turning points, I can say. So this is A, this is B, and here I'm just marking points where there are two ways to go. So let's check A. We are just marking points to every corner, every vertex here. A, B, C, D, E, and F, and this is home. Let's write H for home. So from A, Samaksh, let's start from A to B, B to F, and F to H, one way, and again from A to B, B to E, E to H, two ways. Now from A to C, C to B, B to F, F to H, three ways. Again A to C, C to B, B to E, E to H. Oh, I should write E here. Sorry for that. B to E, E to H. Okay, Now, next is A to C, C to D, D to E, E to H. That means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ways. So none of the option is containing 5. So we will mark D as the correct option as we do not have 5 here. There are 5 ways reaching home for Samaksh. So this is the end of logical reasoning. Now we'll move on to the mathematical reasoning. So this is the first question we have of mathematical reasoning. Ria wants to arrange the given house numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Let's select the correct order. So we have P. P is 7542, 7542. Q is 7954. R is 7929 and S is 7924. So the smallest one is P. So P is the smallest one. Then we have Q, R and S. So Q, R and S all are having their thousands digit same as well as their hundreds digit same. Now we'll focus on their tens digit. R and S is having tens digit same, but S is having its ones digit smaller. So S will come after P, then R will come and finally Q will come. This is the ascending order of house numbers. So PSRQ, PSRQ, option D is the correct option here. Next question, question number 12, the difference between the smallest and the greatest. So what we have to find, smallest and greatest 4-digit number and then its difference. It's a 3-step question. So let's start doing. Step 1 is smallest number formed by these digits. Smallest 4-digit number. So it will be 5, 7, 8, 9. What will be the greatest 4-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number will be 9875. Are we done with? No. We have to find the difference. So difference means we have to subtract. So it will be 9875 minus 5789. Let's subtract. 9875 minus 5789. Now this is smaller, so we will be taking carry. 7 minus 15 minus 9 is right 6. This is 6. So again we will be taking carry. It is 16 minus 8 is 8. 7 minus 7 is 0 and 9 minus 5 is 4. 4086. Yes, option D is the correct option. Next question is question number 13. Question number 13 is asking how many thousands, hundreds, tens and ones respectively should be added to obtain the largest 4-digit even number. So let's start solving the question. We are needed to tell largest 4-digit even number. Okay, so for locating this, it's a 2-step process. First, largest 4-digit number. Largest 4-digit number is 4 times 9, 9999. But this is odd. We need to find the even. So, from here, we'll reach to the largest 4-digit even number. That will be 9,998. Now the question is not asking about this. Question is asking about thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. 9,998. This is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. If we just expand it, it will be 9,000s plus 900s plus 90 plus 8, right? Now, can we just write this expansion as 9 times 1000 plus 9 times 100 plus 9 times 10 plus 8 times 1. So how many thousands? 9 thousands. How many hundreds? 9 hundreds. How many tens? 9 tens. How many ones? 8 ones. So the answer will be 9998. If we talk about alternate method, this is the answer we are having. Now, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones are nothing but the place values. So this is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So what's at thousands place? 9. Hundreds place? 9. Tens place? 9. And ones place? 8. So option C will be the correct option. Now let's switch to the question number 14. Question number 14 says a rhombus has the value 7,641. A square is having value 1,426. Rhombus plus square is P. So P is nothing but 7,641 plus 1,426. If we add them up, we will get 9,067. Now, Q is rhombus minus square. 7,641 minus 1,426. When we subtract them, we will get 6,215. Okay, we have to find P minus Q. So P minus Q will be 9,067 minus 6,215. Let's subtract them. It will be 2, 5, 8 and 2. So this is 2852. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 15. Which of the following number sentence represents the shaded part in the given figure? So if we talk about this figure, this is having 8 total parts, out of which 3 are shaded, 3, 8. And this is having total 4 parts, out of which 2 shaded. We can also call it 1 upon 2, right? So this means that 3/8 is obviously less than half. Where is it written? It's here. Option A is the correct option. Question number 16. So, which of the following can be found from the information given on the box of candies? Net quantity is 20. That means this box is having 20 candies. Cost is 20 times 10, that is 200. And net quantity is 20. This is quantity. And this is cost. And this is total cost of the box. Now, let's check options. Option A is saying it contains 20 candies. Yes, total 20 candies. Each candy costs 10. Yes, the cost of each candy is 10. Cost of 20 candies is 20. No, cost of all 20 candies is 200. So this option is wrong. That means both A and B, option D is correct. Question number 17. This was the total weight of box P, Q and R. Okay, so if we expand this, the first weighing balance. So we just need to check the scale. It's 8 written here. It's 8 written here. Now from 0 to 8 we will check gaps so that we can have an idea what actually one gap measures. So here there are 4 gaps, and that means one gap resembles to 2. The value of one gap is 2. So accordingly the weight of P is 18 kg. Weight of Q is also the same, 18 kg. Weight of R. Let's check weight of R. After 2 gaps, 32 plus 4, that means 36. What we need to find? Total weight. Total weight, that means P plus Q plus R, will be 18 plus 18 plus 36. So 18 plus 18 plus 36 will be 72 kg. But 72 is not given here, so we will select option D. Next question. Find the values of P and Q respectively. Okay. So we have 6 minus 8. So 6 smaller, we will be taking carry. It will become 16 and this will be 1. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now we have to check which option is containing value of Q as 8. We have only A option that is containing 8 as the value of Q. But we should check it properly. Answer is A, undoubtedly 9, P, 2, 6, 5, 9, 4, 8. After subtracting, we have Q here, then 7, then 1, then 3. Okay, let's start. So it will be 16, it will become 1. 16 minus 8 is 8. So the value of Q will be 8 here. It's 1. So we will be taking carry. It will be 11. 11 minus 4 is 7 here. 9. After subtracting, it's not P but P minus 1. So after subtracting, it is showing 1. That means it needs to be 0. This time it is 0. Then earlier it will be 1. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Before sharing its carry, it will be 1. So it is 1, 8. That means option A is the correct option. This means that if we just place the values 9, 1, 2, 6 minus 5, 9, 7, 5, 9, 4, just a second, 5, 9, 4, 8, let's subtract, it's 8, 11 minus 4 is 7, 10 minus 9 is 1, and 8 minus 5 is 3. So we are getting correct values. This is 8 and this is 1. 1 and 8 is the correct option. Question number 19. What is the missing number in the box? For solving these type of questions, what we do, we don't know this value. We know the answer. This says that when you multiply the number present here, multiply it by 8, then subtract, then minus 7, then add 10, then again add 1, you will get 23. How do we do these type of question? We start reversing the process. Answer is 23. What we did finally? We have added, we will subtract minus 1. So what we need to do? You just have to change the sequence. Okay? If it is plus 1, we will make it minus 1, plus 10, minus 10, minus 4, plus 4, times 8, divided by 8, like this. So it will be 23 minus 1, that means 22, minus 10 will be 12, plus 4 will be 16, divided by 8 will be 2. So 2 will be the answer, where 2 is. Option C. Option C. That means 2 times. Now let's check. 2 times 8 is 16, minus 4 is 12, plus 10 is 22, plus 1 is 23. Right? So option C is the correct option. Now, next question is question number 20. There are dash thousands in 9643. So the number we are having is 9643. Places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. How many thousands? 9,000. So B is the correct option. Now, we'll be switching to the everyday mathematics starting from question number 21. There were 2,176 cars parked in a parking lot on Monday. So let's start solving the question. Number of cars parked on Monday is 2,176. If 1,112 more cars were parked on Tuesday than Monday, that means on Tuesday there are 1,122 more cars parked than Monday. So to find total number of cars parked on Tuesday is equal to Monday plus 1122. That means number of cars parked on Monday plus 1122. So 2176 plus 1122. We just need to add them. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3298. Option A is the correct option. The first question of everyday mathematics done. Now 22. The distance from Delhi to Mumbai is, let's write, from Delhi to Mumbai, it's 2,453. From Delhi to Kolkata, it's 2,543 kilometers. Okay, let's write kilometers. Find the actual and estimated difference of both the distances. Okay, so let's write actual. Actual will be 2,453 only, and here 2,543 only, and estimated around nearest hundreds. So this is the hundreds place. We will estimate it will be 2,500, right? Delhi to Kolkata, it's 5 here, it will estimate it rounded off to the nearest hundreds. It will be 2,500 also. So let's find the actual difference. Actual difference will be actual difference will be 2,543 minus 2,453. That will give us 3 minus 3 is 0, 9, 90. And estimated difference, as we all can see, is 2500 minus 2500, that is 0. So 90, 0. Option C is the correct option. Question number 23. In an examination hall, 500 chairs were arranged equally in a row. We know the word equally comes when we have to divide, right? Shared among, distributed equally. So these are the words we use for division. 500 chairs were arranged equally in 10 rows. How many chairs are there in each row? Let's solve. Total number of chairs in the examination hall is 500. Now, number of rows is 100. Sorry, 10. So, to arrange chairs equally, 500 divided by 10, we will get 50. So there are 50 chairs in each row. That means option B is the correct option. Question number 24. A bamboo plant was 1 meter 65 centimeter tall when planted. It has grown 20 meter 85 centimeter more. How tall the plant is now? Let's solve. Height of the bamboo plant when planted, it was 1 meter 65 centimeter. Now, height of the bamboo plant after some growth is 20 meter 85 centimeter. Plus original height. That means the height when it was planted. So now the new height will be 20 meter 85 centimeter plus 1 meter 65 centimeter. So let's add 20 meter 85 centimeter 65 centimeter and 1 meter. Let's add them up. 5 plus 5 is 10, 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 1 15, 150 centimeter and 21 meter. We can convert it as 22 meters and 50 centimeters. Let's check which option is matching. 22 and 150 is wrong. A is correct. It needs to be 50. When it is 22, it needs to be 50. Otherwise, 21 meter, 150 centimeter. Option A is correct. 26. Manan bought a pen, a book and 2 erasers. If he had 1000 rupee note, then how much money did he receive in change? Let's solve. Cost of pen is 100 rupees. Cost of a book is rupees 225. Cost of 2 erasers is 2 times 2, that is 2 times 20, that is 40 rupees. Now, total cost of items he bought, total cost will be 100 plus 225 plus 40. Let's add them up. It will be 365. Now, Manan was having 1000 rupee note. So, 1000 minus 365, it will be 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 3 is 6. 635. Option A is the correct option. Question number 26. Vihan has 100 apples. Let's start solving. Number of apples with Vihan is 100. He gave half of it to his brother. He has divided it into 2. That means 50 apples and 50 apples. He gave this portion to his brother. Now he is left with 50 apples and 1/5 of the remainder. That means he has divided 50 apples into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples. If I draw it again, first, second, third, fourth, and a little arrangement. Just a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the equal division. So 50 apples are divided into 5. That means 10. 5 tens are 50. There are 10 apples in each part. And he has given 1/5 of his remainder, this part, to his friend. Now he is left with 40 apples. 40 is the correct option. We have an alternate method to solve this. If we just focus on the alternate method, without picture, it will be, there are number of apples, total number of apples initially Vihan was having was 100. Number of apples given to his brother, number of apples given to brother is equal to 1/5 of 100. Half. Is half of 100. That means 50 he has given. So, number of apples left after giving 50 apples to brother is equal to 100 minus 50. That means 50. Now, he wants to give 1/5 of apples to his 1/5 of remaining apple to his friend. Number of apples given to his friend is equal to 1/5 of 50. That will give you 50 divided by 5 is 10. Now, number of apples left with him after giving 10 to his friend is equal to 50 minus 10, that is equal to 40 apples. 40 means option A is the correct option. Question number 27. Rohit is making this calendar for the bulletin board. Which day of the week should be 25th December? So we have date till 14 December. Okay. So what we'll do? 14 December. 14th December is Saturday, right? 14 plus 7 is 21. Again will be Saturday. Then 25th. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It's Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So 25th of December will be Wednesday. We have an alternate method. I'm showing you the next method you can use. Alternate is 25th December. If you subtract 7, you will get 1, 15, 8, 18. So the day which will be on 15th will be on 18th also. We don't have 18 here. Again minus 7. So we will get 11. 11 is Wednesday. So 11 is Wednesday, then 18 will be Wednesday, then 25th will be Wednesday. You can either do by adding or by subtracting. These are two methods to do these type of questions. Now let's switch to the next question, that is question number 28. Golu has 48 rupees. How much money will be left with him if he buys 2 ice creams, 2 Milky Bars, 1 pen and 1 burger? Okay, what he is buying? Items bought by Golu. Okay, so first he has bought 2 ice creams. So the cost will be 2 times 5, that will be rupees 10. Next he has bought 2 Milky Bars. 2 Milky Bars. That means 2 times was the cost of Milky Bar 5. Again it's rupees 10. Then he has bought 1 pen. What's the cost of 1 pen? 1 times 7, that means 7 rupees he has to give. And lastly he has bought 1 burger. 1 burger cost rupees 10. So it will be 1 times 10 will again be rupees 10. So now the total will be 10 plus 10 plus 7 plus 10. That is 37. How much money will be left? Left money will be 48 minus 37. That is rupees 11. He is left with 11 rupees. Next question is 29 and 30 from data handling. Okay. So on Monday, 3 smileys and each smiley resemble to, each smiley means 5 students, 3 times 5, 15 students absent. On Tuesday, 4 times 5, that means 20 students absent. On Wednesday, 2 times 5, 10 students absent. On Thursday, 4 times 5, again 20 students absent. Friday, 5 times 5, 25 students absent. How many children were absent on Thursday and Friday? So question number 29, number of students absent on Thursday is 4 times 5, that is 20. Number of students absent on Friday. On Friday, it will be 5 times 5, that means 25. So we have to find total number of students absent on these 2 days. Total number of students absent on Friday and Saturday. That is 20 plus 25, that is 45. Option A is the correct option. On which day no student was absent? It's Saturday. Saturday, there is no student absent. That means there must be some activity going on Saturday. That's why students are more interested. Achiever section 31. Question number 31. The value of a smiley heart is 8 times the value of a star. A star. What is the value of heart if a star plus 72 is 184? Okay, so we'll first find the value of a star. So star will be, if star plus 72 is 184, we will subtract 72 from 184 to find the value of the star. So 4 minus 2 is 2, 8 minus 7 is 1 and 1. 112. The value of star is 112. Heart is 8 times 112. So we will multiply it like this. 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8 plus 1 9, 8 1s are 8. Heart is 896. Where 896 written? D is the correct option. Okay. 32. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Okay. Object P and Q are equal in weight. This is correct. Object S is lighter than object R. This is incorrect. The object which goes down is heavier always. And this is heavier than Y. And S is heavier than R. Object X is heavier than Y. This is correct. Object R is lighter than S. This is also correct. So the correct answer for this question is option B. We have to find incorrect actually. Question number 33. The missing digit here. Okay, we have to divide 148 by any of the digit given here, 6, 2, 3, 4, and remainder will be 1. Okay, so a number 148 divided by a number, it's giving 49 with the remainder 1. We know that quotient times divisor is equal to dividend minus remainder. Okay, so quotient time 49 times 6 is 9 6 are 54, 4 and 5, 6 4 are 24, 24 plus 5, 29, 200, it's much more, it cannot be. Then 2, 449 and 2, 49 times 2 is 98, it's very less, it can't be. Then C, 49 times 3, 9 times 3 is 27, 3 times 4 is 12, 14, 147. Yes, 147 is here and this is 148 minus 1 because remainder was 1. So it is also 147. So C is the correct option. Remember, for solving these type of question, you need to know the formula. Quotient times divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Okay, this is quotient, this is divisor, this is remainder. Okay, next question is question number 34. Vidhi had 60 apples. Okay, let's solve. Number of apples with Vidhi. Number of apples with Vidhi 60. She gave 1/3. Number of apples given to her sister is 1/3 of 60. That means 60 divided by 3 is equal to 20. So now how many apples she is having? Number of apples left after giving to her sister is 60 minus 20, that is 40. Now, and 1/5 of the remainder to her, this is the remainder. She has given number of apples given to her brother is 1/5 of 40. That means 40 divided by 5 is 8. So now how many apples she would be having? Number of apples left with her is 40 minus 8, that is 32. Number of apples left with her is 32, correct. Number of apples she gave to her sister is 20, that means this is correct. And for this, so A2, 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 B1 and C3, option C is the correct option here. Next is the last question of this set, question number 35. Y divided by x plus 5 minus 4. We need to find x and y first. So this is 2 upon 6, that is equal to x upon 9, that is equal to 4 upon y. 6 is not directly related. We will find the lowest form of 2 by 6, that is 1 upon 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So 1 times 3 will be 3. Right? So this is the value of x. Now next, this is 4. The above one is 4 and we have to find the value of y. So we can relate it as 2 times 2 is 4. So 6 times 2 will be y, that is 12. So x we have got is 3 and y is 12. Right? Now what we need to do, we have to put the values here. So y divided by x plus 5 minus 4. Here we need to focus the BODMAS rule also. 12 divided by 3 plus 5 minus 4. So we will divide first. 12 divided by 3 is 4 plus 5 minus 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. So option A is the correct option.